Come on, Marvel.
Well done. You eating your breakfast? Okay. And listen.
Le arrancó el pinche coa. ¡Mami!
No, lo dejan. ¿Cómo la pillamos? ¿Cómo la pillamos la señora?
Te dejamos encargada cuidándola.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Got my undies on your head. Why? Why have you got my undies on your head, you fucking crackhead?
You give me goosebumps. Look at that. I don't get goosebumps.
What happened, right? Come on, here. Be a burrito. Yes, good girl.
Why do you do this to him? Why? He doesn't want your vajayjay on his face.
Mommy. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this in my entire fucking life. All done.
Someone took a bite out of my grilled cheese, and I'm not saying it was you, but was it you?
Oh my God. What is that?
Oh, someone put it like that.
So funny.
Poor Bruce.
Oh, Papa.
Kiss your dog and see their reaction.
More?
Yeah.
Well, who's that going to? Fucking Pablo's not gonna fucking throw it to you. His hands are full.
situation, except it's a dog situation. Oh my god, they're walking together.
Spin? No, spin. Yes. Roll over. Go.
So cute. Oh wow, okay.
Angel?
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
This crate can't hold the sass.
Hey. Ready?
Come on, man, up you get. Time to go out. She broke. Come on.
Come on, scary ass.
Hey, sir.
I don't think I could make it on the outside, Andy. I've been in here most of my life.
Fuck you talking about, nigga? You a
Like
hoe,
I said,
nigga.
ain't no bitch
Fuck
ass
you, man.
nigga.
You a hoe,
I
nigga.
came up on this nigga. You ain't do.
Talk to me. Oh.
Okay.
Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs and go to bed. Come on. Go upstairs.
I want this one. So I think I bought the wrong size. Hey, Ruby. Hey, where you going, Ruby? Oh no! I did you. God. What's you have over here? What look at you?
At my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog.
They could try, but you'd be like, nah.
Come on. Careful, careful.
How's homework going? Good. Any distractions? No. No, sure? Yep. Yep. Right, not sure what the puppies are doing tonight. Hello, Doris, sweetheart. But Ollie's leg obviously makes the perfect headrest. Strange puppies. Good mummy.
Stop it.
Beauty?
Olha dessas.
What happened to him?
It died.
Okay, people, can we chill? Okay.
Look at this star on there. Look at there. Look at there.
Good job. Good job.
You, Brittany.
Come on.
Babe, her tongue. Why is her tongue hanging out like that?
She's yawning. Look at her.
That better have, okay.
But look.
Ah, cool. That's cool. Oh, it's real cool. The chief is still messing him up, man.
Sat on the ground and pee now.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like this.
I'm tripping, I'm sliding, I'm riding through the beat like boom. Mustard on the beat, bro. Bing, back, boom, back, bing, bing, boom.
Hey. This dog is living his best life.
It is your fault. No, it's your fault. You're feeding him too much.
Oh, hey.
Give me it back.
Eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Dumb ways to die.
get a great day in this set. It'll be great for you, Sam. God. You're not a lap dog.
Đây xa mày có phải xì dặn gì đâu.
Splasher, splasher, yes, yes.
¡Ah! ¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Hey!
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Bless you. You want that? You want a little bit?
What happened? What happened? Huh? What happened? Stop.
Really, Tony? Right in front of me.
Come on. Easy, dude.
Easy.
It's such a secret.
Get it, boo.
Hey, Rixie, can I get a...
You have to go back. Go potty, okay?